Today we have the 2018 Ford Grand Tourneo Connect. This vehicle has done just over 46,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. To the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access our settings, Bluetooth, and radio. Just below is our dual zone climate control. And if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our sunroof.